Hello, this video is to instruct users how to set up Bing Maps for use within ATDI applications and what those Bing Maps will offer the user in regard to various mapping layers. I have a project here in Northwest Germany where in the project manager, so if we open the project manager, all I have done is for my color image, my map image, I've actually pointed at the Bing map file that should be available upon the customer portal. This brings me up to a number of different layers. The map, the default one here is quite a high resolution or a large scale map. But if I wish to switch between the different layers, satellite photographs, vectors on satellite photographs, etc., if I press the spacebar, each of these different layers, we are toggling between the layers. So we have the satellite with vectors. Now I have the satellite without vectors. And now I have a different, slightly higher resolution map available for the general area. One of the things with Bing is in the file there is a path set up for the cache. So as you load map layers down from the web map server, so they are cached locally on the machine, so that the response time is slow for the first time you download them, but once you have them cached, then it should be quite quick. Different satellite photographs, many different layers through the actual are available on the Bing. And again, depending upon where you are in the world, so those layers will vary to offer the best in mapping resolution that the map server has for that particular part of the world. If we zoom in, so we have the potential to actually change layers automatically. So we've gone from a coarse resolution map to a finer resolution map with more detail, and so on. If you are actually working in a project with existing mapping, standard map tiles, I'll load a sample up. For example, here I have the same area, but I have an old existing map image in the traditional way. I can actually quickly switch to Bing in a different way by right-clicking on the screen and then selecting the option Change Map. Many of you have used this before, and it's no different, only instead of going to find a map image, an IMG file or a RIM file, when we click on Select Map, we go and find where we have put our Bing map file supplied, and we just load that, and again we are now working in with Bing Maps again. Quite simple, and that concludes this video.